Let us continue. Question B. Answer these questions with your elbow partner. You have to answer these questions with your elbow partner, means here which those are close. Okay, you have to discuss. Let us see the question. Who was Simon? Who was Simon? Simon was a guide dog, a trained German Shepherd dog. Who was Simon? You have to repeat the answer with me. Okay, dear students. Who was Simon? Simon was a guide dog who was guiding. It was trained German Shepherd dog. See, next. Second, why did Simon lead Grandpa in the path of the car? Why? Why did Simon lead Grandpa in the path of the car? Lead means why the Simon was guiding Grandpa. Answer. Because Grandpa had lost his eyesight some years ago and Simon led Grandpa in the path of the car by mistake. He can't hear. Third, did Grandpa like being in the hospital? Answer. No, Grandpa didn't like being in the hospital. Grandpa did not like to stay more days in hospital. So he didn't like. When Grandpa came home from the hospital, what did Simon do? When Grandpa came home, Simon rose shakily his feet and began to bark and dance around us. When the Grandpa returned at home, at that time Simon rose shakily his front feet. Shake means moving his front legs or feet and began to bark and dance around them. Around us means around them. We have to write here around them. Around them. Around them. Fifth, why did Grandpa start walking again? Answer, because Grandpa said. Why did Grandpa start walking again? He was not well. Still he is trying to recover. Grandpa start walking again because Grandpa said, I needed to get strong again for Simon. Grandpa said, I needed to get strong for Simon. Okay. Now let us see values and life skills. Grandpa and Simon share a special bond. Here, Grandpa and Simon both are special bond. They feel responsible for each other. They are responsible to each other. Though Simon was loved by Rita's family, many animals are often treated badly. Rita's family love Simon too much. So, in between they have a special responsible. They feel responsible for each other and they have a special bond, special attachment with animal, with Simon. Okay, see, with your elbow partner, list all the animals that live in your neighborhood. Read the hint questions, answer them for each of the animals on the list. With your elbow partner means those are close with your close friends. Otherwise, you can discuss with your family, and you have to make a list of animals that live in your neighborhood. around your neighborhood, there were the animals. If there, you can write the names of animals. Make a list of animals. Read the hint question. Here are the given the questions. Answer them for each of the animal on the list. You have to answer this question. So first question, how are they treated? Your neighborhood animal is how are the animal that people treated your neighbors? How the neighbors treated with the animals? You have to write here. Are they treated good or bad? Are they take care of the animal? Whatever they have pets? If they are taking, then you have to write about how they are treated. Do people like after them? Look after them? Means these people are looking after the pet animals. Are they take care? Yes or no? Do is here. Ask for the question. It means we have to give the answer yes or no. What could you do to help make an animal's life happier? What could you do? आप क्या कर सकते हो? To help make an animal's life happier. एनिमल्स की लाइफ अच्छी होने के लिए, बेहतर होने के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं? क्या मदद कर सकते हैं उनको? तो इसके क्वेश्चंस आपको लिखने हैं. इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर आपको लिखने हैं. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ एनिमल्स in your neighborhood. Let us see vocabulary. Read these sentences from the story. Identify and circle the correct meaning of the highlighted word. Which are the highlighted word? These words are highlighted. We have to identify the meaning of these words with the help of these options. If you are not sure, find the sentences in the story and read it. First, Ma had brought Simon back to our place, but he just mopped around the house. Ma had brought Simon back to our place, but he means here Simon was mop around the house. Mop means, what is the meaning of mop? Sniff, sulk, skull, walk. The correct answer is skull. The B option is correct. Skulk means moving here and there with a mentally disturbed. Second, then Grandpa told me how much he longed to be home, how he hated being in the hospital. Grandpa told me how much he longed to be home. Long means, what is the meaning of the long? Really wanted. The correct answer is really wanted, right? How he hated being in the hospital means he was hated the hospital. He did not like to stay in hospital. He wanted to go at home. Next, third, he must feel like I have deserted him. He must feel like I have desert. What is the meaning of desert here? Left, blame, sold. The correct answer is left. So tick here. Circle करना है. We have to circle left. As per given in the question, we have to circle. Next, fourth, it took Ma 2 weeks to convince the doctors to let Grandpa come home with us. What is the meaning of convince? It took Ma 2 weeks to convince. My mother convinced doctor to 2 weeks. The doctors to let Grandpa come home with us. Due 2 weeks to let home. What is the meaning of convince here? Makes someone do something. This is the correct answer. Fifth one. Both made a slow, steady recovery. Both. Who is here? Who are here? Grandpa and Simon. Both are injured or disturbed. So both are going to recover. Options are return to a normal state. B. Find something new. Third, C. Carry heavy things. Which is the correct answer? Return to normal state. This is the correct answer. So A is correct. Circle it here. So all of you have to write this question answer in your notebook. And try to understand the meaning of these words. Learn these meanings. Keep it in your mind.